I start my speech with one question. Who wants to fail? Who wants to fail? One person. एक बंदा जो फेल होना चाहेगा. दो. वाह. मेरे लिए I don't like fail. Or every time we heard word success, everybody wants to succeed in their life. Like, so what is success? The biggest question, what is success? For me, success means bank balance in billion and trillion. For others, maybe it healthy body, family, friends, fame, कुछ भी. Like, success के बहुत criteria है. लेकिन the definition of success is the fact that you want to achieve something or you have to do to get that. और अगर हम दूसरी डेफिनेशन देखते हैं दूसरी डिक्शनरीज में तो कुछ सेम वर्ड्स होते हैं इसको प्रूव करने के लिए. बट एज पर माई ओन पर्सनल डिक्शनरी, मैंने लिखी नहीं है लेकिन ये मेरी डिक्शनरी है. सो फॉर मी सक्सेस दैट मीन्स नॉट अ डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट बट द वे टू डू दैट और टू गेट दैट रिजल्ट. सो सक्सेस, अभी nowadays we know that student will commit suicide by failing in the exam. People take such a wrong step if they are not succeed in love. Maybe they're losing their job or boredom at home, right? Why? Root cause of all this is misunderstanding of success. हम क्या सोचते हैं सक्सेस के बारे में, क्या सक्सेस है पता ही नहीं है. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna said that do your karma, do not worry about result. पहले से सिखाया है हमें याद ही नहीं रहता. So as per my opinion, if you think for any goal or you want to prove something, you want to get some means your desired result, and you do your work sincerely, hard work, smart work, whatever work, but you do it sincerely. अगर आतंकवादी भी बनना है लेकिन फिर भी उसके लिए हार्ड वर्क किया है, then you are successful. अभी मैं एक आपको स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. ये मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ की स्टोरी है. We 5 girls, childhood friends. We all are having the same age, having same fun style, but we are settled in our life in our own way. 4 are married. They are settled in some different state. One of is in abroad, and I am standing over here in front of you speaking on mic. According to the rules, I need to settle down in marriage life. But now what to do? Should I sit down and cry? No, not at all, obviously, because I made my own benchmark. According to the rules of the society, if I were married, according to the rules of my caste, probably I wrapped in a veil somewhere. No chance to speak on mic. Even if my husband was found out all this activity, what is my role, came here after following his step, sit down in corner, listen to everyone and go back to home. This might be my life. And what is my life today? Doing a well-paid job in a well-known company. I'm free to take any decision of my life. Even if I get stuck somewhere, I'm free to I'm free to ask anyone, to consult anyone, or whether to act or that advice or not. So I'm very free. Let me not change our direction. Direction कुछ अलग है. So from this example, I would like to say कि if you want to consider or if you want to calculate your success on the basis of the rules of the world, you always be disappointed because rules और condition ये world हमेशा change करता है, उसके मुताबिक change होता है. So only those person consider as a successful in whom they find their own selfishness. आप लोगों के लिए मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ. मेरे कुछ रिलेटिव्स जिनके लिए ये सारी चीज कोई मायने नहीं रखते, उनके लिए मैं फेल हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट कंसिडरिंग माई सक्सेस ऑन बेसिस ऑफ अदर्स थॉट्स और अदर पीपल्स जजमेंट, राइट? सो इन द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट ये सारी चीज तो हो गई, अपने सारी थियरी बढ़ी, लेकिन अभी सक्सेस होने के लिए कौन सी चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है? पॉइंट नंबर 1, Don't sit on somebody else benchmark. अपना खुद का बेंचमार्क बना, उस पर बैठो. Create your own identity. डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर वो जरूरी है यार, ये प्रेशर क्यों ले? Rule number 3, set goals for your life. छोटा बड़ा कोई भी, लेकिन गोल सेट करो और उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए हार्डवर्क करो। और 4 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, रिजल्ट इज जस्ट अ सर्टिफिकेट, इट इज नॉट योर सक्सेस. By result you are not successful. Like in a company, we know that there are many employees who come from the well-reputed school and other doesn't have that background, but they all are working on the same floor. Why? Not because of their background, but based on their skill. So वो आमिर खान ने भी कहा है, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, काबिलियत बनो. अगर काबिल बनोगे तो सक्सेस जख मार के वापस आएगी. So in the end, I would like to say, or I would like to conclude that this 4 points made by me for me to being successful in my life. Not necessarily you will have the same result what I have, but yeah, you will get help to remove some hurdles. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this theory. Thank you so much.